Alright, good morning everyone, and today is exciting because I'm going to try this new magnetic lash and eyeliner kit. Like, I never tried this before. So as you know, I can't live without my lashes. My lashes are my life. They give me life because without them I look like Dory. I already have a brain like Dory, a memory like Dory, so I don't want to look like her. So we're going to test this out. I might have to go to the washroom. And I like this. I might have to trim them, but they give you what I feel like using today. I like the first. Okay, the first one looks natural. I don't think I want that. This is more like it. That's in between. This one doesn't look good on my eyes. All right, so I trimmed my lashes. I tried using the scissor that it comes with, but it's pretty dull, so I had to use my own. And if you look closely, there's the magnets. I don't know if you can focus, but there's tiny magnets along the eyelash. I don't know if you can see it. Okay. So there's one eye. Okay, not perfect, but it will do. Okay, so I have to wait 1 minute. 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, I'll do the other eye. I forgot to add, of course they recommend to do an allergy test, which I didn't, just went directly to my eye. I have a bad habit of getting too excited and ignoring the warning. But yeah, so far I'm okay. My eyes are still here, they're not red, I'm not irritated. So we're gonna try putting these babies on. Okay, here, okay. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, it does stay. Oh, whoa, wait a minute, is that, what? I can't tell that, do I want it there? Wait a minute, does that look okay? That looks, oh, it's not moving. Like, okay, I don't know why I'm doing that. I just thought that maybe just checking to make sure that it's not gonna fall off. Oh, okay, let's do the other side. This is exciting. Oh my God, where's my other lash? Where's my other lash? What the fuck? Where did the other lash go? Are you kidding me? Oh my God. Oh, okay, found it, okay. All right, let's try this side. Oh, whoa, that is so cool. So here's the final look. I can't stop laughing. But I'm really impressed with these lashes. Like, do you see them? They look pretty. It feels nice. It doesn't feel heavy. It's not irritating so far, and I like the length. It's perfect for every day. So I can't wait to try the other eyelash styles in this set. So if you guys are interested, you should check it out. Try it.